I'm Richard Martin. I'm a family doctor here in Grande Prairie, and I have the honor of being the inaugural Assistant Dean for the Northern Alberta Medical Program. So the Northern Alberta Medical Program is a component of the University of Alberta MD program. And so we have 30 students every year here that will start their medical school journey and complete it without ever having to be in Edmonton. There's really good evidence to suggest that two things are really important about what makes someone choose a career in a specific place. One is where they come from, and the other part is where they did their education. So the longer somebody can have an educational experience that's away from Edmonton, especially in rural or regional centers, the more likely they choose that as their career. And that actually is the focus of the program, is to have rural and regional generalist physicians who are able to contribute to the communities in the northern part of Alberta and beyond. Grande Prairie is actually incredibly fortunate to have the Grande Prairie Regional Hospital Foundation. They've been very active for many years across the breadth of all of the health system in trying to make sure that they assist and promote and facilitate all of the improvements that we know we need in our health system. They've been an integral partner. One of the huge benefits that they bring is the ability to gather people together for a common project to fundraise and take it to completion. And one of the really important projects they're helping with for the medical program is to be able to purchase a virtual anatomy table. So you can think of this as actually an enormous iPad, an iPad that's actually the size of your largest television at home, that you simply can touch, and you can pretend that you're dissecting through a human body to see all of the different layers and all of the different organs, and you can actually take that dissection and you can rotate it 360 degrees. You can isolate certain components of the body away from other components of the body, and it really can add to the understanding that students can gain regarding human anatomy. One of the other really useful components that the Foundation brings to this educational landscape is supporting students through direct scholarships. It is a very expensive proposition to go to medical school, and people need lots of support in many ways. One of them definitely is financial, and so the benefit that the Grande Prairie Hospital Foundation can bring to support students through scholarships absolutely helps them in their journey. I think when students can feel that this is their home, they'll be able to see that their future career can be here too. And it's that kind of excitement we want to try and build in students so they can see themselves in the places where they're needed, attached to these communities, providing care beside all of the hardworking doctors and nurses and paramedics and other health providers in these spaces. Once we can attach learners to those spaces, I think that a lot of them will see the excitement and the rewards, that positive feeling from all of that hard work. The Northern Alberta Medical Program is incredibly thankful. The Northwestern Polytechnic Health Education Centre really has an expansion of their ability to help people in their education journeys with these tools that the Foundation has helped to fund.